Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a little review and I guess packing video on the Rough and Tumble Boho. Now this is in the small size. This is Pomegranate with Tusk Straps. This particular bag I did purchase directly from Rough and Tumble website. It was an in production item, so they say 1 to 3 weeks, but I will say that this did take probably about 4 to 6 weeks. So just be aware of that situation with their in production items. It can be a little bit longer than they indicate on the website. However, I didn't have any issues with getting the bag. It came, went to my friend in America, and then my husband actually picked it up before he came back home, so it worked out well. First of all, I want to say how much I love Pomegranate. This is a Monte Blanc Blanc leather, so it does have a bit of a sheen to it. It's not squishy, it does have a bit of structure, but it is really nice, and in the Boho it has a nice drape to it. So this bag is currently empty. I just wanted to say that the tusk goes really well with the Pomegranate. I think it looks really nice. So this is what you get. You get a wider strap, and you get the color down the side here if it's part of it, and then the lining is a zinc lacquered lining, which I think looks really pretty. So my thoughts about this particular style is I love it a lot. I really do like bags that don't have pockets on the bottle pockets on the outside, especially if they're handbags. And to me, this, especially in the small, this is a really nice handbag option, although I do use it a lot of the time packed up for my kids. For 1 or 2, 3, I can fit all sorts of things in the small. So there is a large size as well, but I felt like the large might be a little bit too large for me because as you know, if you watch my channel, I'm a very minimal packer, especially now that my daughter is potty trained. There are no pockets on the outside. It's just a nice clean line look. On the inside, there are several pockets. There's a zip pocket at the back here. It's kind of open right now, but there's a zip pocket there. And we can see it's kind of hard to show because it's a floppy bag. But on the inside, you do get a pocket on either side and then a pocket in the front. Now these pockets, especially in the front here, on this front side, as I like to say, they are quite small. As you'll see when I pack it up for you guys, I can't get bigger things than a small set piece in there, but it doesn't bother me because I can fit everything in quite well. So what I'll do next is I'll go over how I pack it up normally, and that way you can kind of see how things fit inside of the bag and whether maybe the small is for you or you might prefer the large Boho. First of all, I'll just take off this Hobo Strap. Now this is, I said, this is the wider Hobo Strap, and I really do like wearing my bags Hobo style. I did purchase a crossbody strap to go with this bag as well in the same leather, but actually I have never used it. So this does close with a clip closure, so there's no zipper on the top, just to let you know, so you guys are aware of that. But it finds its place really easy, and I like this because it's easy to get in and out of the bag really well, similar to the bucket that I have done a previous video on. So there's a look on the inside of the bag before I start putting anything in. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll do the zip pocket first, back here, and it's open currently. Okay, what I normally put in there is my mini wipe pouch and my little small set piece of my hair stuff. So I'm packing this up today for you guys if I was taking my 2 girls with me, which is usually what happens at the moment because they're no longer at school because we're getting ready to move. But when we go out, I usually take things for the girls. The boys usually just kind of use their stuff or they can just chill. Okay, so we'll do the outside pockets here next on either side. So I guess they're bottle pockets. So I do have a funtainer. This is a regular size funtainer. Just to show you now, I'll put it on the side where, because there is a key hook thing here, forgot to mention that you do get like a key fob thing that you can use, but I just usually don't use those. So I'm going to put the drink on the other side, and just to show you, it does fit in that little pocket on the side there very easily. On this side here, I guess I can attach my keys, but I feel like it pulls the side down because I do have kind of heavy keys. So I'm just going to kind of leave those for now. But I am going to put my hand sanitizer in there because it won't fit in the other pocket with the small set piece. That's the kind of disappointing bit, but that goes in there nicely. And then I do have just a little coin purse with some feminine stuff in there, so I'm going to pop that in there too. And then I guess I can put my keys in there as well. But I think I'll just kind of put them in and not attach them to the hook. So that's in there. And then, so we'll turn the bag around so you can see these two pockets here. And I've got a couple of small set pieces. So I've got a Jujube small set piece with my mummy medkit stuff that I take everywhere. It's got some hand cream and medicine and little Medipolv. There's the smallest antiseptic thing I could find here in Australia. Even though when you open it up, it goes everywhere because it's powder. But that's in a, this is chrome, and that just fits in that pocket there, just. So I kind of wish those pockets were a little bit bigger, but then again, it's the size of the bag, so there you go. I also have another small set piece. This is Iconic 2.0 by Jujube and Tokidoki, and this has my lip products in there, and that fits in the other side. So like that. Now you can see the bag standing up on its own because it does have things inside. So I have two play pack cases for my girls, which I usually take, and they fit perfect in there. And I also have a cash pack by Rough and Tumble that I'm using as my wallet. This is in Huckleberry Pebble. So I also got this when I got this bag. So I've been using this lately, and that stands up in there perfectly as well. And the last thing I have is my phone. Now I kind of wish they had a phone pocket or such, but I usually just kind of pop this into the pocket, say with my lip gloss and lipstick kind of small set piece in that side or in this side, or I just put it in the middle of the bag, it works. Or, you know, you can put it in my pocket, so I'll put it in there for now. And then this closes up perfect. So this fits everything I need for my two girls and myself, and I can even put more things. See, there's more room even in the middle here, so I can put more stuff in there as well. Now, because it's a small, there isn't any room on top to put jumpers or cardigans or you know, anything like that. So that's just kind of a thing to remember. If you want something that size to fit those types of things in, the large is probably going to be better because I know it is taller and it is a little bit bigger. So I will probably try large down the road, but so far I really, really love the 5-pocket small boho. If you have any questions or comments, please pop them below. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and have a great day. See you later. Bye.